Hello, I'm Adel, I'm a member of Teens Group. Today, I would like to share a story of a company that brought health and happiness to millions of people. It all started in 1995. A man named Li Jinyuan from China founded the business based on the essence of Chinese health culture combined with biotechnology, producing dietary supplements called Teens. The first product was Teens Calcium, which is within 2 years dominated local Chinese market and soon thereafter expanded its business globally. Nowadays, within a business covering over 190 countries, Teens Group has set up 110 branches, more than 10,000 franchise stores, and built up strategic alliances with the top-ranking enterprises from many countries. To ease the business operations, Teens Group has run its global logistics, established production bases in China, Vietnam, Spain, the UK, and Ethiopia. It also built up cooperative factories, set up 24/7 multilingual customer service platform, built partnership with Citigroup, HSBC UK, Standard Chartered, and other worldwide banks to ease the international payment transactions. It also has developed high-speed IT cloud infrastructure and information network. Moreover, Teens Group is China's top valuable brands that develop on multinational conglomerate in fields like biotech, tourism, education, e-business, finance. By providing diversified range of products categorized into nutrition, beauty, and home care, Teens Group has become the lifestyle choice for over 47 million families worldwide. Hundreds of scientists, engineers, and technical experts constantly research and develop the new and advanced products for teens, business owners, and the clients. Products are based on the essence of Chinese traditional health culture, combined with biotechnology, and has 16 basic categories of health-promoting products. Among them, leading nutrition health product, Teens Nutrient Super Calcium Powder, which is the world's top-selling premium healthcare supplement. Teens Group genuinely committed to inspire people to strive towards their optimal health. As a national enterprise with double guarantees of quality and after-service, Teens Group products are religiously tolerant and certified by Global Quality System. Through its charitable philosophy of contributing to society, Teens Group also actively takes on corporate social responsibility and has donated more than $200 million to public welfare and social charities. Currently, Teens maintaining millions of regular customers and employing thousands of people that control their own business, time, and income. As a business model that promotes health and well-being for all people, Teens Group offers very flexible business opportunity that allow everyone to work to their tune. Besides flexible time, you can also build this business anywhere and anytime. In a restaurant, on the train, on the plane, on the airport, anywhere you like. It's a business that requires no capital, easy to combine with any other job, business or vocation. Pays various types of bonuses, sales bonus, leadership bonus, honorary bonus, grants various special awards for hard work like international traveling, luxury cars, luxury boats, luxury villas. Also, it provides the opportunity to own a teen specialty shop, one of the highest value of bonus available to direct sellers. Fast and rewarding compensation plan where the level of discount or bonus once achieved stays with you all the time. It also provides training and education platform to support you on every step of your career. So what you are waiting for? Join Teens to embrace your dream, embrace your future.